Hey friends, it's me Stace. Today we'll be using our Cricut to make this itty bitty gift card holder. You can see the back is the gift card, and then we have the actual holder. I did modify a little bit by putting some paper on the back, but I will share with you guys how I did that and why I did that. All right, let's go to the computer and we'll get started. All right, here we are at the computer. I'm already logged in to Cricut Design Space. I am also on the welcome screen. From here, I'm going to go down to the category of Crazy Cool Cards and go to the far right and click on the arrow. I actually did a whole video series on this cartridge. I'll see if I can remember to link it below. We're going to keep on going to the right until we find the card we're making, which is this one right here, the Cafe Gift Card Holder. Go to click on that. You'll see it brings up a preview window. Very bottom, click on Customize. I'm not customizing anything with this, but I always like seeing how things are laid out. So we have the card base here. And then this piece will go on top of that. And then we have the two pieces here for the umbrella. All right, upper right hand corner, click on Make It. I'm going to choose any mat and then choose Continue. You can see we have 4 mats. I'm going to just combine these. So I have mat 1, which is this piece. Mat 2 is this one. So on this one, I'm going to go and click on the image and the circle with the 3 dots. Choose Move Object. I'll move that to my first mat. Then choose Confirm. Then I'll just bring this piece down in the lower right hand corner, and I can have this piece in the upper left hand corner. And then do the same for mat 3 and mat 4. So on mat 3, I'm going to click on this circle, move object, move that to the last mat, choose confirm. Then again, move one of these pieces over. So I went from 4 mats to 2 mats. I'm going to cut everything out and go to the table, and we'll put the gift card holder together. Alright, everything is cut out. We're first going to work on this piece. There's an itty bitty score mark right there. To get and fold on that, just finger press it just to get it started. Then we'll go in with our bone folder and give that a really good crease. And make sure you crease that really, really well. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to open that up, and now we're going to attach all these pieces on top of that. I'm going to bring in some scrap paper here. Alright, and the glue I'm using is Art Glitter Glue. And it's going to go, make sure there's not a right way and a wrong way. I don't really think there is, but it looks like it fits better on that side. So I'm going to flip it the other way. Again, give it a nice crease. Alright, so now there is a right and wrong side. You can see how the umbrella is more slanted that way. Alright, let's go ahead and glue that one on. Sorry about that, I had to sneeze. So I have all my glue on there. I'm just going to kind of dab some of it off and then lay it on top of here. It creates a really thin shadow. Alright, now we have our little chairs. So I'm going to put glue here and then along the legs, and then again dab off the extra. Okay, and then we have this one on this side. Again, I'm going to dab it off a little bit. Alright, so we have that. Now let's go ahead and put the top of the umbrella on. And it looks like that one fits right on top of that brown layer that we added. Then we have these pieces. So it looks like one's going to go here and then here. Okay. And in the design space, it showed it having a dark brown and a light brown. I like that look, so I did it, but I wish I would have chosen a different color because it's not that bright. Alright, and let's just check this one, make sure this one goes this way. Yep. Alright, so now the gift card. Okay, so you're going to fold this down and the gift card kind of sits in like that. Then you put brads in here to kind of hold this down. I'm not sure if I want to do that or not. I'm actually going to fold them back. I need to think about this one for a minute. Alright, so you could glue it in the back if you want to, like using a really strong glue, because I'm not sure where to put the brad at. They didn't really leave me a whole lot of room there. You know, if I poke a hole there, it's going to tear right through that. Can you see how thin that is? See how thin that paper is right there? If I put a brad in there, it's going to tear it. So I think what I'm going to do is just put some glue in the back of this. Then to kind of cover this up, I'm going to put some paper back here. Alright, let's do a little measuring. Alright, so this is about 3.5 by 2.25. So I'm going to just get a piece of cardstock, 3.5 by 2.25. This does have the rounded edges. I'm not going to worry about that on mine. This way it'll kind of hide that. Actually, I think I'm going to round the corners. Alright, so I'm going to just use my corner chopper here. This way I can put this back here. It's going to hide. Yeah, okay, we're going to do that. So I'm going to flip this over. Okay, this is where the gift card goes, like that. Flip this over, and I'm going to put some glue there on this one and that one. And just kind of press on that, let that glue do its thing. Then to hide this on the back, we're going to put this paper on it. That way it'll also help hold that down some. Alright. And I do have a card kit for this, and I'll include both colors of this cardstock in the back. You know, the green and the pink, so you can choose whatever color you like. But yeah, this will help hold them flaps down. Okay, so then the gift card just kind of goes in like that. What do you think? Cute. So I just wish I would have used different color paper, because you really can't see it all that well. I don't have anything white. See how you really can't see the two different browns, but anyway, there you have it. Here is the card kit. I do include the brads, because I was going to use the brads, but you really can't use them in this because it's so small. But I will include the piece of paper back here. I'll include it in the pink and the green color, so you can pick which one you want. So to win the card kit, just leave me a comment saying you want to be entered in the card kit, and I will pick a winner, or I'll announce the winner on Saturday. But there you have it. Okay, kind of cute. I didn't cut the envelope out. You can just easily, just hand this to somebody, or plop in an envelope, or include it with a gift. But I think it's cute. All right, there you have it. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.